welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some fun, cute Halloween decorations. And I'm going to get started by showing you these decorations because all of these decorations I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So make sure you check out your local Dollar Tree if you're trying to find some good affordable Halloween decorations. And here, as you can see, I got a lot of cutouts and some Halloween garland. This is some black net that you'll see me using later. I got a spider web and a spider to go with it. And then a Halloween sign that you saw, I did print that online and put it together myself. And let's go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. Now I have this black netting that I was trying to use as a backdrop on the wall, but once I started cutting it, I realized that I didn't have nearly enough. So what you see right here though is me going ahead and trying to straighten it out because it did curl up a lot. So I'm just trying to put some heavy stuff on the ends to go ahead and try to get it straightened out. And when I got done cutting it, I came up with only 3 strips, but you'll see in a few minutes what I ended up doing. So what I'm doing is just taking some tape and some tacks. This is going to be the top of my backdrop and I'm just taping that to the wall. And I have some string, and so I'm taping this to the wall for the backdrop as well. And what I ended up doing is I did find some black streamers that I have, and so I'm going to use these black streamers to help me with my backdrop. And over the string I was just overlapping and looping it through and then letting it hang, and then in a few seconds you'll see me cutting it. As I began to put these streamers up, I had 2 packs of streamers. I realized I still didn't have enough to do my backdrops. I did go ahead and end up cutting the streamers in half. When I tried to double up the streamers, they were using up too much of it and I started to run out. So right here, this is after I cut it in half. I just ended up folding over the piece at the top and taping it to make it stay. Friends, and once I finished that, I forgot to record this part, but right here you will see me putting up some netting, and this is the rest of the 2 pieces of the netting that I had. I'm just using tape to help me tape it to the backdrop and then straightening it out as you see here, and going ahead and use the tape to tape it at the bottom of the wall. And here I'm taking one more piece of streamer. I had a gap in between the 2 pieces of netting, and so I'm taking a piece of streamer and putting it there in the middle. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding to our backdrop. Again, all of this came from the Dollar Tree. This was a garland that I got that I went ahead and hung over the tacks that I already had up for my backdrop. And here I'm just putting tape on the edge of balloons. We're kind of going to go across and just make a balloon border across the top of the netting. And here's the first part of the Halloween banner. We're going to go ahead and get that hung up with some tape. And now I'm going to start adding the cutouts that I have. Here's the spider web. I'm just using a tack to get that hung up right underneath the banner at the top. And here's the spider. I'm using a tack as well to hang that into the spider web. Other half of the banner that just says Halloween. Now we're going to get the rest of our cutouts put up, and this one is a cat cutout, and as you'll see in a few minutes I'm going to put up the rest of them, and again just using tacks to hang them onto the backdrop. decided to put a Happy Halloween banner in the middle of the backdrop at the bottom. And now we're just going to go to the other side of the backdrop and repeat the same thing with the same cutouts. Okay friends, so once I got all of my decorations up that I thought I was going to use, I decided that I wanted to add a balloon flower to either side of the backdrop underneath the cats. So here you see me making a balloon flower. If you're not familiar with this, this is a quick example. I do have tons of other videos showing you examples. You just take the flower balloon clip and then you take the end of the tied balloon and you just slide it into the slits. And so you just put one through the middle and then you have a balloon flower. And let's go ahead and get these put up on our backdrop as well. And here it is, our fun, friendly Halloween decorations. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up and notification bell. Make sure you check out my review video for the new balloon pump that I have, and have a royal day.